Take a flavorful journey to Mangalore with our Bendekai Gasi recipe or the Bhindi curry. Packed with spices and coconut goodness, it's a simple way to savor authentic South Indian flavors. Here we have around 250 grams of okra or ladyfinger. These are homegrown ones. First we'll take around 2.5 cups of water in a cooking vessel and squeeze around a lime-sized piece of tamarind into it. You can also add some tamarind pulp or paste instead. Did you know that it is always recommended to keep salt and tamarind containers together in every kitchen, as it is believed to control the vibrations of the house? Here is a fun fact. Tamarind paste was once used in ancient Egypt as a facial mask due to its exfoliating and brightening properties. Once the tamarind is all dissolved, we'll add some salt to it, 1 whole tomato finely chopped, and then add the chopped okras. Then cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on a low to medium flame till we make the masala for it. We will fry a few spices and then grind them into a smooth paste. In some coconut oil, fry around 8 to 10 curry leaves, 6 to 7 byadagi or Kashmiri chilies, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, around half a teaspoon mustard seeds, and around 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Fry them all for a couple of seconds and then add 4 cloves of garlic to it. You need not fry the garlic, you can just add the garlic to the blender itself. We will blend all of this into a smooth paste along with 3/4 cup freshly grated coconut. The masala paste is ready here. We will add this masala paste to the boiling bhindi along with some water. Give it a nice mix. Add a small piece of jaggery to it to balance the tartness from the tamarind. You can also add a tablespoon of sambar powder here. This is the homemade sambar powder. I'll link the recipe above and in the description section below. Cover and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Let's make a tadka for the curry. In some coconut oil, drop in a chili, few cloves of garlic, a few curry leaves, half a teaspoon mustard seeds and let it splutter. And now add this to the curry. And the Mangalore style Bendekai Gasi or the Bhindi curry is ready to be savoured with delight. Next time, whenever you have some bhindi on hand, give this recipe a try and let the vibrant flavours of Mangalore grace your kitchen, turning your meal into a delightful coastal experience. Let me know in the comment section about any suggestions you have for me or any opinions about the recipe. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Leave any suggestions in the comment section below.